Welcome to another mega exciting 3-minute auto pairing. I'll be playing the Grand Prix attack here. Let's try it with bishop b5. I think on knight d4 I'm just going to leave the bishop to be taken. Okay. I'm holding c3, so I might consider b3 actually here. Or is it risky? Or just queen h4? And there's queen h4 for f5. Will he react to f5 as an issue? There's also bishop a6, c4. Maybe I'm playing it a bit riskily here. Let's see. Can I play for bishop g5? Am I in trouble because of this c4 now? This is interesting. Yeah, I guess he's causing some issues, huh? Playing against the possibility of c4. Can I pawn down? But I'm not sure it's the end of the world just yet. Getting e5 would be nasty. Can I try and break this up? Okay. Oh. Can I try and win that f4 like this? It's getting a little bit scary. Knight takes, knight f4. His pawns are a little bit fragmented, I hope. At least the bishop's not amazing just yet. Okay. Can I play for knight g3? Starting to put some pressure on his position, I hope. Oh, there's knight f3 threatening to win the rook. Let's stop that. Sort of bother here. Now I'll let him take that, I think, to try and get knight f5. Am I still in trouble? Knight f3, I think I'll do an exchange sack and hope for the best. I think the knight's pretty good.
Check.
This king's wandering. Is there a rook? Is there a mating there? How? Tens, I'm not sure there's any mating that, unfortunately.
Check. Check.
Then my knight, I'm going to save the knight for the moment. I haven't the exchange down really. Is there enough compensation? Can I play for d4? Oh, okay, what about around here? King f3 and rook h7. Ah, hang on.
Check.
Might be worth taking that and getting my E pawn running.
Check. Check.
Yeah, get my E pawn running.
Time warning.
No, I can't have that position
Check.
because A pawn
Check.
is winning. Also going to be tense.
Check. Check. Check.
Oh, running out of pawns. Oh, run out of pawns. Running out of time as well.
Check. Check.
Oh, there.
Check.
I've just run out of time. Oh no. What a sad game. I didn't know it was that short time. Oh man. Alright, let's have a look. So what should I have done? That's the question. That was an idea. E5. Yeah, maybe it's just better here. This looks like a wrong idea in position. Yeah, maybe this is what I had an idea that maybe I should do something like this. Oh, the queen takes f4 there. Oh, okay, so this f5 looks unsound actually. The way it's played it looks pretty unsound, as in great difficulty, it seems, throughout this game.
Check. 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 Check.
Very great difficulty. Yeah, black's just better. He's oh, hang on. No, it's okay here. Apparently, rook b8. Should have been.
Check. Check.
This pawn, yeah, I couldn't allow the exchange of rooks because of his a pawn, surely, and his g pawn. That's the unfortunate thing about the position.
Check. Check. Check.
Okay. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.